Growing up, I had a great life. My father was a plumber, so I saw him strive, and I figured that's the way to go, you know? Follow something I know is true and right. I'm a plumbing foreman. My job consists of making sure I keep my guys on track. They're awesome. We're like a big family. We're putting pipes underneath the ground. We're putting pipes in the walls, water pipe, gas pipe, waste pipe. It all has to go somewhere. It's all fed by something. Plumbing's everywhere, from commercial real estate to every house out there. It's in every major grocery store that you're gonna go buy your food. If there wasn't plumbing, I wouldn't be able to grow my garden. I wouldn't be able to get water to my vegetables. I wouldn't be able to give water to my chickens. Then my lifestyle would change. In my career, being a supervisor, there's so much opportunity to keep on growing. A lot of overtime to help my guys make overtime and to only better my life. I don't want to come home and stress about bills. Nobody does. Things like overtime and job security make it to where I'm comfortable spending extra money on things like gardening, keeping chickens, It's not exactly cheap, but it's something I enjoy. It all involves plumbing. My career feeds all of that. I'm definitely feeling blessed that I'm able to live comfortable and that I've thrived and I've worked hard to make myself that way. I can only say it's because of hard work and the industry I'm in.